everybody. It's Alice and Michelle again. Say hi, Michelle.
Hey!
We're at the Trellises, number 7. I wanted to give you a look on the inside. You've already seen that beautiful area outside. It's such a great neighborhood. But inside, you have this lovely kitchen, a great refrigerator, freezer combination, and granite counters. Really, like if you're a cook, you're gonna like the gas stovetop, cooktop. That's really great to have, lovely. And if you walk over here, you'll see that there's a glassed-in screen porch. It does have an AC unit out there, which is nice. And then to the right of it, to the east of it, you'll see there's a screen porch, so you have screen and glass. So that's kind of the best of both worlds. If you look down the hall, you'll see the first of the 4 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom and bath downstairs. And so take a look at that. Notice here at the house, we have Florida shutters. There's one in the kitchen. We've got some here. Those are really attractive. The whole neighborhood is super cute, and it's very cottagey, very coastal cottagey. We have a fireplace here. Great place for your television. We have beautiful floors. We have a little granite here, and then we have these tiled floors. And then we're gonna pop upstairs because you are gonna love the master suite. See you in a minute.